Morning, welcome back. It's Monday. Did everyone have a nice Father's Day? I'm good. Went for a nice curry. A few beers with my dad. Watched a bit of cricket, but cricket wasn't on. That was the plan, to watch cricket. Cricket wasn't on, it were on the day before. Got rained off, so we just sat next to a cricket field having a beer in the sun. On the way back, spontaneously turned up at this curry place near mine, and there were some seats, so straight in. So yeah, we had a curry, a dessert. Please. Just getting coffees. And then the dessert, what was my dessert? Ferrero Rocher cheesecake. Beauty. Let me show you what we're doing. So from Friday, we finished there, didn't we, on Friday? So we've put that in, got a little cut here to do. Bringing it along. Got this fence at backings. It's like a triangle, it's like a bloody cheese wedge. So we're just pulling it. So it's like 150mm shorter at that side than it is at this side. Or narrower, whatever you want to say. And then we're starting at bottom on the other side. So do you know where you can bring your steps up? So let's just have a look. This side we are replacing this sleeper, going up to there, and we're going to start pulling these steps across. Or we might put one sleeper in to pull the step across, because we might adjust it later, depending on the height of this patio when it comes across. And then we're going to continue going up that side with planters. But that side we're all even, it was like 2.9 a planter. This side might be 3 meters, next one might be 2 meters. Depends how it falls, because there's bloody everything everywhere up there. Tom's trying to find something, but he can't find it. And then we've had another extra. Pulled the flag up for him the other day, felt a bit hollow. That is not how to lay Indian stone. Picture frame and 2 dots. Absolutely not. So the whole patio's coming up and we're relaying it. Using flags, obviously. And we're relaying it. Like I said in my last video, be honest. So on that one, you've got 2 summer sand. You've got probably 10 cement. And then you've got your labour. Oh, you've got a tip as well, haven't you? Because you're taking all that old gobble up. And then that's it. But choose your place for your tip that's the most expensive, and you go to the cheapest place. Your sand and cement, I can get sand from a quarry, so it's quite cheap, but not much cheaper, but still charge a little bit more just in case they sell out. You've got to go to other place. And then your cements, it's just a stupid price. It's nearly a tenner a bag now, I think, anyway. But this year we're going to, well, we've already done it, started buying in bulk, buy 1 or 2 pallets at a time. Works out a couple of quid a bag. But yeah, let's see how we get on with these sleepers. Just keep plodding on. So we started lifting patio. This shows you, look. Get that. Just how not to do it. You do need a full bed, it's so important. All these are just so hollow and just loose. It's only been down 3 years, I think. This extension got done. 3 years. The tiger's here. Yeah, so we're lifting this up today, and then we are obviously getting rid of our gobbo down at Moan Brothers Quarry, and lifting this up, hardcoring, and then if we have got time, because it's going to pee it down today, we are going to do Airco channel down here and then start laying tomorrow. But if we do start putting Airco in tomorrow, it only takes an hour or so, so it's not too bad. So yeah, let's get lifting this mess up. How much bigger does that look? Now it's all done, all clean, just needs a good whack, and then we're going to start getting our Airco in, getting Airco channel in. We're on about lifting this bit up here, but I think we're going to keep it clean because it's going to rain today, so it'll cause a mess tomorrow, which I don't like doing. I like to keep whatever we can clean. So yeah, we're going to do Airco across here and then drop in, but this outlet, lifted this up, and this outlet here, you can see it there, just at the right level. I hope it's not. Well, if that's lower, we can't do it, we have to find another way, another outlet. But we've lifted these flags up, we're going to put some new ones in, put some old ones in, put some new ones in, just mix and match them. Give them a good jet wash because they are pretty mucky now. So yeah, let's see how much we can get done before it rains. Thunderstorms at 3, it said, so let's hope it don't come any sooner. Let's get a good shift in today. Morning. It's going to be a dry day, it's going to be sunny, and it's going to be 19 degrees. Prefer it cloudy with 19 degrees, but not sunny with 19 degrees. Yeah. Let's get patio laid and let's show you how to lay it. Not like in a picture frame and dot and dab. So as van is nowhere to be seen because I've just tarmaxed this. Look at the state of that. This was perfect, this road. Proper mint, proper good road this. And just topped it off with a load of 10mm gravel. Let me show you what we're getting on with. Just after dinner now. I'll just after our dinner. We have a dinner at 11:30. So we miss all at Russia, sarnie shop and stuff, and butchers, and petrol stations and whatnot. Let me show you what we're doing. So we've mixed new with old, as I say, and making sure that we're doing full beds. Just done a video on one with GoPro, just showing you how we do it. Once all this is jet washed down, we're good. Normal rule, 1, 2, 3, split your line. Then you'll go this way. Then you go, oh, there's a 4 there. Oh no, they ain't. 1, 2, 3, splitters line. 1, 2, 3, splitters line. Yeah, thought I messed up live then. Yeah, it should look good when it's all jet washed down. Airco's in, which is leading through to this. Through there, that'll get done when we get to it. Just going to smash on as much as I can tomorrow. Today we're going to smash on as much as we can. We're going to pull it up to that 600 flag there, and that's roughly where the step's going to start. Going to finish it on a full flag, obviously. Make sure it's level with house. Just don't want no little naffy cuts. This will be main bit today. Don't even know what time it is. A couple more hours on it. Should be quite far, to be honest with you. So that woman's a beautician, and we're parked, obviously you've seen State Road, we're parked down around corner, down road around corner, and all of a sudden we see this BMW X1 flying up, this old woman. Okay, not giving a crap, ripping the road up out there, tear assing over all new tarmac. It's like, who is that? Pulls up, parked right in front of his mixer. So then we get out of van, go up, go, bloody hell, shouldn't be driving on this, you know what I mean? Next thing, moaning that we haven't washed his car down and stuff because of the mixer. It's just splashing it a little bit. It's like, I'm gonna wash it down once the mixer's stopped splashing, and then I'll wash your car down. And then he was just bragging about having a BMW and how good a BMW is. But we're all Nissans in our house, so even van's a Nissan. Love them. Yeah, man. Let's get on with this afternoon. Let's hope some sun will come. Apparently it's supposed to be the sunniest day of the week. Cloudy at the minute. Everywhere we go, it's just cloud. Look at that. Dark cloud. Is your mixer this loud? Because that is bloody loud, man. You can hear it from the other side. At least we'll know if anyone's nicked it. But yeah.